welcome back to another video.
And you can't see anything.
Today we are doing a clearance slime
guess
review.
what? Because you can't see anything, but we're gonna show you.
You can't see anything. So we are doing a clearance slime review. So we don't have that much slime, but like I bought a slime from Target, which I already reviewed on this channel, but that might be popped in this video. If not, it's okay. I feel like I still have some eyeliner from yesterday at the beach. Me and my mom opened a new like eyeliner, and it's like so dark. And then at the beach, it spread like all eyes. Okay. So I have my 4th of July shirt on. I know it's not 4th of July. I do not enjoy unicorns that much, but like I like the unicorn horn better than the unicorn itself. So I like magic, all those pretty colors, but not really unicorns. So let's hop in to this clearance review. Let's hop into this clearance review. Woo! So first off, we have this, and I'm gonna save the best for last. First up, we have this Compound Kings Neon Slime. This wasn't really on clearance because it was already cheap. It was a little cheap. So wait. There's a seal. So there was a seal outside, which I already opened off camera, and this is the oddly satisfying Compound Kings. The most like good store-bought slimes are Compound Kings and Nickelodeon slimes. So we're gonna be showing you both of them today. Sorry, but they're both orange. Sorry.
Should I open it now?
Okay. So we're gonna be opening it. It has a seal inside. I feel like I don't need scissors for this, but I just have them in case. Let me open this first. So it's all opened. Compound Kings is kind of like a hit or miss.
Can I play with that?
This one is so stretchy. Oh my god.
Stop! You're doing everything with the video. I'm not doing nothing.
Okay, fine. Let's play with it and do some ASMR. Like, this is oddly satisfying because, like, look at the noises. Oh, it's oddly satisfying. But I never tried out their slime. But I know that they're gonna be great. A little.
This looks like it's melted.
Like a hit or miss. Next up, we have something pretty cool. But I'm just gonna show you and do some ASMR on this.
This video.
So wait for that. So here it is. This is amazing. By the way, we're in a hotel room. I did a whole moving vlog with still. I have to film a ton more. It's like a. Sorry, it's like. I'm sorry, I talked too loud. But sorry, the movie vlog is like a little like long. I feel like it's gonna be like a 2-hour video, but hopefully not. But this is like oddly satisfying. Orange, comment down below, #orange. And also comment down below what your favorite color is. I honestly don't know what my favorite color is. And like appreciate that frame there. So I called my friend and I was like this. Oh my god. Almost fell. Like this. Okay. No green wall. There wasn't a green. It's like this. And she was like, where in the world were you at? I'm like, I'm in the hotel room. And then she was like, oh. In to our new house. Like tomorrow? Today? Not today. Like, we're shifting the things. So we're having a hotel room right now in our new house. Like, some of them. But we're probably going to sleep in our new house today. Even though my bunk bed isn't fully made yet. We didn't start making it. But, yeah. Let's get on to the next line. So, like, this kind of gets, like, rubbery. Because you can, like, play with it. But, like, if we let it sit, it's probably going to be good. But next up we have. So, we have this, oh my god, what is happening? This Nickelodeon liquid lava putty. And my brother just literally spilled a lot of water on the carpet. But like, look at this. We have a little bit of water. We have some left. And we're gonna dip the putty, like, with the packaging in here. To see. See how it's turning like yellow? It's because it's color changing putty. Okay. It's turning yellow in the packaging, which then you'll know that this is actually gonna make, when you play with it in your hands, like knead it and it's hot, you'll know that it will turn. But when it cools down and is like a normal temperature, it will be orange. So like basically I have a two-toned putty to play with. Yeah. Now we're gonna cut it open. So let's cut it. I hope this putty doesn't really do anything because of the water. It's like a really nice putty. These putties are one of the best, and I've heard of that. I'm like, see people review this. I'm like, yeah, like, oh yeah, I need to show you guys first. Because you are the viewers, this is what you're here for. But like, here's the putty. Like, it's kind of like really stringy at first. We kind of have to knead it. See, it's getting, since my hands are kind of like watery and stuff, the water's getting cool in my hands, so that's why it's turning orange. But it's like a normal, like, nice, stretchy putty. It's like really nice. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. This is like really nice. But it is starting to kind of like go into a yellow-orange color because it's warming up in my hands. So it's like a really weird color changing kind of. If I give it to somebody else that has kind of like cold hands, this is gonna turn orange again. So I don't know what that was. Okay, so it's from my brother. Oh, you're back. So here it is. Oh, it's turning yellow. I'm gonna warm this up and then I'll show you guys. I'm gonna warm this up and I'll show you guys the results. God. What is happening with my camera? So weird. What is happening? What? Yeah, we're using a computer to kind of hold this because I haven't got my tripod yet.
Why is there like a circle thing on the camera?
I don't know what I would use. So. This is like, it's kind of like putties are kind of like a cloud slime. Like, you have to like do that to a cloud slime, then it gets cloudy, and then like, get it. If you don't get it, I'm really sorry. But I guess I'll just have to show you on camera warming it up. So my camera is not working right now. I'm gonna try dipping this in water, like a little bit, like a chunk of it. The thing that I like about putty more than those jiggly type slimes is that those slimes, like only like the rare ones, like come together really nicely. Like they don't like crumble, and they can like, they do stick together. Putties, do stick together, but like they barely separate. Like look at this. If I want to separate this, I have to. Like, it gets really stinky. Let's dip this in water. That was an awkward voice. Oh my god. This the potty doesn't really get its anger out and do anything to the potty. It's doing anything to itself. You can actually dip this in water. I've never actually seen people do it. I think a person did it like with the packaging. But I'm dipping this in water. Look at the results. It was really easily done. I kind of already like warmed it up. That's cool. Oh my god. This is cooling down now. Oh my god. Like, look at the comparisons. Okay. Camera's not showing really well. Doesn't show. Okay, now kind of. There you go. Like, there's like a white background. So,
I'm back again already.
I mixed them. I'm gonna put them in the water. Yeah, sorry, the water bucket took your spot. Oh my god. Not being rude.
Oh, scoot out of the way.
Wait, like, look at the putty. It's yellow. Is that cool or no?
That's cool.
You're like, that's cool. Okay. Now can you move the bucket? He was like that. Does this have any pops? Yes. It's like really tiny pops.
Okay, have a
Oh
seat.
my god. I hope this doesn't dry up since I made it wet. Don't be angry. Don't dry it up, buddy. Because you're not going to be alive anymore. But I guess that's it for this video. If not, I'll throw in a clip. But I don't know if I will. So, comment down below if you like these on-camera style. Oh, sorry. On-camera style videos. I actually love to do these. But when I get my tripod, I will do the ones
No. You
where
need a walk of
there's a
hours.
table and the camera's
You
facing
need walk of hours.
directly on the slime, not on my face. But you can just comment all of them down below.
You need your Oreo.
But
The Doreo.
yeah, probably not doing a house tour because it's full of stuff and it's a really small house right now. It's like really small, like so small. Okay.
Hang on, wait.
I don't even have my own
Guess
room. My brother doesn't have a room. We don't share a room.
Hang on.
So, kind of get
Hang
it.
on.
But wait.
Guess what? We have to do another video of not yours anymore and mine.
And thank you for what? Like, I am on YouTube for 1 year officially. It was yesterday, but like this video for you guys, it's probably gonna be like a long time later because I have to my phone that I publish the videos with mostly. I think, yeah, mostly. That phone is going bye-bye. It's not only in the trash, but we have to give it back, and I'm gonna get a new phone.
Excuse me.
Hopefully.
Do you know who
I will
is
show
this
you my new
baby?
phone when I get out.
Excuse me. Do you know who is this baby?
Oh my god. That is really weird. Oh my god. Okay.
I know who it is. It's you.
No, it's not. Comment down below who this picture looks like more. Okay. This is the best way.
What the? It's not
Focus.
yellow. Why did you prank me? It's not yellow. It's orange.
This looks like more. By the way, this is my brother.
This is not me.
Yes, it is. It's you with a headband on. So for this video, if you guys enjoyed it, I'll see you with a new video very soon. Well, bye, guys. Bye. And comment down below if you like these camera style videos on camera. Bye. Bye. And give this video a giant slimy thumbs up. I will see you with a new video very soon. Bye, guys.